Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today is, I think, another fidget unboxing. Let's get right into it. Yep, it's from KAP, so that's what I thought it was. Alright. Here it is. They pack their stuff pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah. Here it is. Kinetic Asian Pacific. So here we got a pretty good bag, cloth, nice card, Mothership TI number 14, some stickers. I believe we're gonna need this bearing, so I'm gonna leave that there. And then there's a cloth as well, they can clean it. But yeah, I'm gonna put that to the side. I've got this tool with me here, just in case if I need to put that bearing on the body. But I think they may have just put it on already. I'm not too sure. Let's see. So here it is. Put this to the side. So excited. I've actually heard really good things about the Mothership on the Facebook groups. So yeah, I'm really excited to finally try mine out. Okay, so they did put the bearing in there. That's a pretty nice one. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh wow, it's really light. Let me get the scale out for you guys. So here it is. With just the body, it is gonna be 37.93 grams. And with the buttons, these are stainless steel, by the way, so they're not titanium. 64.40. Okay. Gonna turn that off. So I believe this is the stock bearing that it comes with. It's pretty smooth. No issues so far. Alright, here's a close-up on this thing. You can see the machine finish. Looks really nice. And again, I will leave all the KAP information down below. I'll leave their Facebook page, their site link. So yeah, everything will be down below. So make sure you guys check them out. And yeah, damn, this thing looks good. So I will not be needing this. So machine finished, titanium body with stainless steel buttons. Oh yeah, I like this. You guys can see my fingerprint right there. Maybe I'll send these buttons to somebody that can get it stone washed for me, tumbled or something. I also need to get that thing that measures the speed of the spinners. So yeah, but man, first impressions, this thing is pretty good, man. Okay, so recently I've been trying to decide whether or not I'm a try guy or a bar guy. By that I mean like a 3-side fidget or a 2-side. By that I mean a 2-side fidget or a 3-side. That's what I mean by a try and bar. So yeah, but to be honest with you, I like both equally. Sometimes I'm in the mood for a bar spinner, sometimes I'm in the mood for a tri spinner. So right now I'll bring out my other tri spinners So here they are. I'll start off with this one. This is the skate spinner. You guys can take a look at it. It's like a pretty curvy spinner, if you ask me. It spins good. These aren't the original buttons on this thing. The original buttons I put on the bar spinner from M3. So yeah, I put those on there, but I put these buttons, I took these buttons from the stainless steel triangle. So yeah, because I wanted to have better grip on this thing, and the M3 buttons were good. And I took these buttons from this guy and put these buttons from here. So yeah, button swapping is a whole thing when you guys own spinners and stuff. So yeah, it's a pretty good spinner. You guys can check them out. I'll leave a link down below, or you guys can just look it up on my channel. This one I got from Gavin, Dynamic Inertia. He sent this over to review. This is the dual vector in stainless steel. I also did a video on this. It'll be out soon. But yeah, this thing is pretty nice too. But yeah, put that aside here. This is the 2 EDC triangle in stainless steel, and the buttons are from the M3 spinner. Next we have the Zergetai NJT spinner. One sec, I'm gonna wipe it down, remove my skin oils. There you go. I really love this thing. It's one of my favorite spinners. The colors it gives when it's being spun is just amazing. So yeah, just an amazing spinner. Then we have the Zerk NJT Vader with the Zergetai buttons. I stole them from this spinner. So yeah, let me wipe this one off as well for you guys. There you go. This may be my favorite spinner I currently have right now. But yeah, the buttons on this thing are just so pretty. So yeah, really good one. All right, now let's see where this thing's at on the list from favorite to least favorite. So, okay. Damn, this is hard to decide. All right, got the feel of that. I know for a fact that I like it more than this and this one. I'm trying to decide where it is on the list. Definitely need a new bearing on this thing. Okay, it's pretty tight with the stainless steel triangle from 2EDC. So yeah. So the thing I don't really like about this thing is you can't really grab a hold of the corners properly, as we guys can see in this one. I can easily grab my fingers like that. I can easily grab the ends like this and spin it. But you can also spin it just this way with one finger. But I'm used to doing it like this. So if you're somebody that spins it like this, you have no issue spinning this thing. But if you're someone like me, yeah. Damn. I think it's tied. There you go. Best, second best, and then these are tied, and then third, and then fourth. So yeah. These, I don't know, I just put them about almost everything for some reason. I really love the feel, especially the zircon, man. It's just so good. So yeah, I definitely like this one though. I give it a good solid 9 out of 10. I'll say 8.5 out of 10 because I will ding a 1.5 off for this. I can't really get a good hold, but I think that kind of makes it up with the big buttons. I think these are 28mm buttons. So yeah, that kind of helps it, but yeah, so 8.5 for me. Love the feel of the titanium body, man. Love it. So yeah, all right, that'll be all for this video, guys. Again, make sure you guys check out KAP's social medias, Facebook, their site. I will leave them down below. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications. I have a lot of cool videos coming soon. A lot of unboxings, reviews, comparison videos, all of that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See ya.